Plus is an Interreg Central Europe project. It involves 10 partners from 9 European countries, and our aim is to help companies develop servitization opportunities. Today we are running the second policy dialogue with policy stakeholders because we want to develop with them new supporting schemes to be introduced in innovation regional measures that will help companies into the implementation of servitization opportunities into their own business models.
Public funds are usually used to support product innovation. We hope that we will create some policy recommendations that will enable also support of service development or servitization initiatives so that these activities will be also supported with public funds.
We are discussing different types of measures. It can be like vouchers for innovation or grants or other financial instruments, as well as trainings for servitization managers.
The program would like to see that the results attained during the project lifetime would continue also in the future. Of course, the program cannot control that. But what we did here today, speaking about policy recommendations for the policy makers of the participating territories in the Things Plus project, we hope it will contribute for making the results attained sustainable.
Yeah, now we can distinguish a lot of different kind of instruments which can be very helpful in this implementing of this activity of the service innovation. Yeah, so we are interested in many of them.
I like Things Plus because it's really targeting SMEs, and SMEs are the most important economic drive, are those who drive the economy in Central Europe. We need to be able to support them in what the future needs will look like. Giving services to beneficiaries is important, and SMEs need that, and therefore this project is very meaningful.